Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Westpac account number. From here, Westpac themselves have guided you the process that how you can find your account number from Westpac's official website. Now, first you have to sign in to your Westpac account from this button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button and you will need to enter your credentials as customer ID and password. Then click on the sign in button. Then you will land it on your account dashboard. Once you have signed into Westpac online banking, you will see the details of any Westpac accounts you have. Take a look at your new Westpac choice account and you will see a 12-digit numbers. Your BSB number is the first 6 digit. Remember, the first 6 digit is your BSB number. Then your account number is the remaining 6 number. That means the last 6 number is your account number. You also can check your account number in your checkbook that are provided by Westpac. And here is a sample of the check. At the bottom of the check, you will find first 6 digit that are routing number, second 6 digit that are BSB number, and the last 6 digit is your account number. Pretty simple, right? That's the all process for finding the account number of Westpac account. So if you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on this bell icon for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.